I'm the owner of Healthy Cooking, and we're going to do an easy one-dish meal. And this is our electric skillet we're going to use. And besides health, one of the biggest things is time is an obstacle for cooking healthy. So I'm going to show you some quick, easy dishes that you can do. So this is called Pesto Fish, and we've got some fresh, organic baby spinach, and just load it up. An alternative could be some onion and maybe some sweet potato on the bottom, but we're just making a nice bed for the fish to lie on. And then we've got some frozen salmon. Now you can use fresh, it doesn't have to be frozen, but sometimes we forget to thaw, so it's just nice to know, doesn't matter with this. So we're going to put this wonderful flavor of pesto right on top, just slather it on. And then you can choose any vegetables that you want to put on top. So it's an easy one dish meal that takes literally about 2 minutes to put together. And you can do fresh vegetables or frozen. If you do frozen, we just put it on right at the beginning. If you want to do fresh, like asparagus or some broccoli spears, we recommend you add them the last 5 minutes. So it's pretty good. And then we're going to take 2 small packages. I've got organic Normandy vegetables, and we've got lots of bright color there. And even people who don't like fish love this dish. So we're just going to spread that there, cover it up. And what's going to happen is we're going to turn this to medium. So we set it at 350. There is a timer that goes up to 12 hours. And what we're waiting for is for the valve to let us know it's the right temperature. When you hear that clicking, you simply turn it down to low and let it go. It only takes 20 minutes and you are eating a wonderful, delicious meal.